We're doing another camera vlog test. This time around, we're taking the Vivo V25 Pro on the streets of Germany to explore. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Like I said, we're testing out the cameras of another Vivo Pro phone. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. In these camera vlog tests, I take cameras out for a spin in real-life vlogging scenarios so you can see for yourself just how they perform. Our weapon of choice today, the Vivo V25 Pro, and this reps a 64-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, perfect for vlogging, an 8-megapixel wide, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Up front, we get a 50-megapixel selfie camera with eye autofocus, which I'm also super excited about because you know my thing with selfie cameras. I would love them to get better and better because I feel like it's a camera that, I use a lot in my daily life. This is also that phone that changes color under UV light. I did try it out when I did a quick unboxing. I'll link it up here and down below. But yeah, I digress. Right, without further ado, let's get to the vlog. Good day, you beautiful people. This is your Vivo V25 Pro vlog test. We are shooting with a front-facing camera. Wandering about in Cologne, Germany. Let's go. It is a beautiful day. This is 4K on the rear cameras. 1x, and it can do up until 10x and then back to 1x. And you also have standard stabilization. This is what that looks like. And ultra stabilization. Those do switch to 1080p when you turn on the steady mode, and there's also a steady mode on the front-facing camera. You're watching that right now, but I feel like I should figure out where I am first, so give me a second. I am a little lost, but it's turning into a photo walk, so that's nice. But of course, before the selfie part, time for some OOTDs, and I'm not gonna lie, this shot was taken by me propping up the phone on a parked car. Thank God for palm shutter because it makes shots like this easier. Right, found my stop. Unfortunately, 4K can't do wide, and this is what wide on 1080p looks like. Nice, so I found the station and my train's coming. I was here for a hot second because I realized I didn't have a ticket, and then I had to get one online. All pretty easy, so let's go. I made it. Bye. Right, let me rephrase. It only downgrades to 1080p on ultra stabilization. This is standard stabilization. And it's still 4K. Yeah. I found a statue. So I figured it out. It's the HDR mode. I've been on HDR mode since we started, and this is now wide 4K, and it can zoom in. Whoa, okay, it can zoom in. This is 10x 4K video right now, and when you turn off the HDR mode, you get more range. Showing you 1080p 30 fps right now. This is wide. And can we zoom in? Not while I'm recording, apparently. 1x 1080p 30 fps, but this allows you to zoom in while recording, so it's the Y that doesn't allow it. And then back to 1x 60 fps only gives you 1x and 10x, and then back to 1x. Okay, before you guys get in the comments and say, but Isa, you're not really exporting these videos at those resolutions. Well, I'm not, but I wanted to show you guys how differently the cameras manage different resolutions. Yeah, I'm making my way to the museum now, unless I get distracted by, I don't know, a nice cafe. Let's go. Okay, this is what we're doing. I know that the museum is near that cathedral, so I'm walking in that direction. I found even more things. I gotta be honest, I'm a little tempted to not go to the museum and just like sit in one of these cafes and chill and have a beer, because look at this. We resisted the temptation of beer and we found it! Okay, I'm a little confused. Let me take it back. You can do wide on 4K. Apparently it switched to 1080p, so yeah. Right, so that was snippets of the, wait, give me a second, stairs. Let's turn on the steady mode for front-facing camera. And that was it for our little museum trip. I obviously didn't vlog inside because I wanted to take in stuff. It was such a nice experience. Highly recommend if ever you're traveling alone or with a group. Check out the art. Okay, well, also, stairs we just climbed. And now it's time for some food and beer. Found a spot and it's by a nice little window. I of course got some beer. Look at how nice everything is here. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat. I'll check you later. Okay, let me now be clear that it is 1080p 30 fps without HD that gives you wide, and this is wide 1x. And then now this is 4K, and I am going back to 4K because this is how I'm exporting my video. So yeah. So I am off to meet my cousin. We're gonna have dinner. And now I've mastered the train. And I'm also like 3 beers down, so So this is a low light sample. It is a very dark night as you can see, but this is what video looks like front facing camera. With my new friends.
Say hi to the... Except me, Charan.
She's my cousin, you guys. Right, so that was the end of our night. Hey guys! Amazing. We're doing great. Say hi.
Welcome to Bologna naman.
Yeah!
Ibang live.
Yes! So this is low light. We're doing this. Yay! It was great meeting all of you. Aww. Low light vlogging, this is what it looks like. Front facing camera. You saw our portrait looked like and it was really good. So we'll give you more samples. Okay, listen friends, swans are crazy to my mind. They're humongous, but they're ducks. But I mean, those are ducks, but this is a swan, and it's like, I'm freaking out. I'm losing my mind. Oh my god, is it gonna swim? Holy. The swan is swimming. The swan is swimming, guys. Look at that butt. Look at, oh my god. That's amazing. Okay. Before I close off this vlog, here are some more samples of the phone doing pretty well in low light. All these shots, considering the lighting I was in, looked pretty good. And that was our Vivo V25 vlog test. Honestly impressed at how these cameras performed, especially in low light portrait scenarios. My mind was blown. But also I was quite impressed at how the selfie cameras performed. If only they had 4K recording in the front facing camera, that would really be my main gripe here. And that was our Vivo V25 Pro vlog test. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below how you feel these cameras performed. Personally, I was super impressed with how it performed in low light, and man, those portrait photos in low light just look so good. I think cameras on this phone are very capable, and if there's one thing that I had to pick at, it really would be the fact that there's no 4K on the front-facing camera. That being said though, I think that the selfie cameras perform pretty well. Right, and we end our video here. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until the next time.